Yeah, still Wednesday, 3rd December. Got the Troy Bilt Horse pressure washed real good. I'll let it drip dry for a few days. It cleaned up good. Main thing is getting all the oil and grease residues off so the primer will stick real good. Yeah, it's looking like it needs a coat of paint. Nothing wrong with that. It's for something over 50 years old, it's a dang fine unit. I found 0 mechanical issues. Did a compression check on the engine, got good compression. Runs smooth. It's got a new carburetor already. Look real nice with a new coat of paint. So it's coming. I bought it as a winter project, so I got plenty of winter left to work on it. And one of my decals blew off when I was pressure washing, the one that shows engaged and disengaged for the PTO. It went flying somewhere. I'll look for it before it gets dark outside and put it back on. Easy enough to do with some 3M adhesive contact cement. The till depth adjustment bar thing there with the slots in it, it moves freely. Well, it's just a real nice little unit. Let's see if we can find that decal that blew off. I washed it over here instead of out the back door. And it's here somewhere. I can take a paint marker and oh, here it is. The decal's not in that good a shape anyway, but when the lever is towards the tines, that's engaged. Duh. When it's towards the engine, that's disengaged. So that'd be easy enough for me to just make a mark right here after I get it painted. And I made this little thing here. It's just a Allen head bolt, some nuts, something to grip on to engage and disengage the PTO. Good enough. So yeah, not too bad. Anyway, let me get back to rolling cigs. That's all for this one. Thank you.